What's up, y'all? It's Taylor and I'm back with another vlog.
You're officially coming with me. You got that. You're the club girl, you can drink. You friends and we don't care what they think.
Hey y'all, you know, change of scenery. No, I did not move. I'm currently out of the country. Currently stamping my passport. Currently doing what should be done as an 18-year-old. Because I'm grown. No, but for real, I'm in South Africa finding my roots. I'm in the motherland for 2 weeks. I'm on vacation. Wanted to vlog, wanted to bring y'all with me. Wanted to have that connection. And we're gonna do the dang thing. But yeah, first, I'm gonna show y'all my room. There's a door, it's a closet space area. It's just my toilet. And if anybody wants to tell me what this converts to, I'd be very thankful. It goes right into the shower. Okay. It goes right into the shower, sink area. Very cute, very fancy. Walk into the other mirror. The TV, painting thing, desk, 2 twin beds. I made a queen. Then you go over here, it's like a bar situation. It has shelves, a fridge, some more shelves. It's this view. Just look at how pretty it is out here. That's the room. Really, yeah, guys, that's the tour. And I guess I'll catch y'all tomorrow. What's up, vlog? You know, day 2. Good morning. You know, if I'm finna go safari or something, I'm finna miss my transportation, so I'm about to make this quick, but like, yeah, I'm gonna vlog and all that good jazz. Yeah, see you in a minute. All right, y'all, first, this drive was 2.5 hours. When my aunt told me that, I was like, be so for real. I thought we was going like 30 minutes away, but no, it was pretty. It was worth the drive, I guess. But, you know, we got out there and we got to see these exotic animals. Like, when was you gonna see freaking rhino and they baby just wandering out in the wild? Not in Tennessee, not in the United States. But no, look at it. The zebras and the lions came out for me. And we got to see an elephant bit dog. And look, the elephant was posted for me. But yeah, it was a lovely experience. Just got done with the safari and I'm really cold. So that's it. Except for it's like 30 degrees. When they say Africa is cold, they mean it in the winter though. Alright, I'm gonna go back to the hotel. Okay, y'all, I'm back at the hotel. I think we're gonna go grab lunch or...
Nice.
It's definitely not lunchtime. We're gonna go grab dinner at the mall food court. And I'll record my food. It'll probably be something I have in America because I don't like the difference. And I'm 18, y'all. I'm legal drinking age. So I might get a little too, but it is what it is. See y'all at the mall. Y'all, this was their food court. Look at all the lights. I thought it was in Times Square. It was so much going on. I was so overwhelmed, but I found me something good to eat. All right, what's up, y'all? Just got back from the safari and eating dinner at the mall. And if you're wondering why I have this beanie on, it's because when they say Africa is in wintertime, they mean it. That's not a suggestion. Today was a great day. I guess I'll catch y'all tomorrow. What's up, vlog? Day 3. Yeah, it's been a pretty chill day. We went to the mall earlier. And we're gonna get ready for dinner. That's about it. I mean, nothing too interesting. I'll catch you when I'm dressed. Hey y'all, I'm back. I'm dressed and I'm gonna run through my fit and then I'm gonna do. So this is the fit. Letterman cropped white tee, jeans, Gucci belt, and then I'm wearing my cherry 11s. That's the fit. I'm gonna go to dinner and I'll catch y'all there. First, when I walked in, I thought I was an African queen from the African diaspora. Look, it was giving, and it was live music. Listen, just listen. You don't feel that in your soul, you not want to spit out. But then they started painting my face. I was really living for it. It gave tourist, but it gave African queen on top of tourist, you know? Again, if you don't feel that beat in your heart. I can do that. I told you I can do that. He was eating down, wasn't he? I thought I was it up. Look at me. I wasn't doing not a dang thing on that journal. Then the food came. I was scared for my life, bro. So I started trying the tomato soup looking thing. It wasn't bad.
It just tastes like tomato soup.
Exactly.
Oh, we got corn in it for real.
I want you to be so expeditiously for real now.
That was my exact reaction when she told me that bread had corn in it, because she know I don't do that. But the bread was cool. It was cool. Then I tried that dip, that white dip or whatever, on the bread. That was so nasty. Look at my face. Exactly. Grab that water, girl. Okay. And then I was talking through this man's stuff. I would have been so mad. I sure would have. And then we got to the second part of the meal. The chicken wings were good. I already had them. Then we ate this hush puppy looking thing. It just tasted like sweet bread. I can't even lie to you. Then we had this. I don't know what kind of meat that was, but it was good, you know? Then what we tried next? The dip with the little triangle chip looking thing. It was alright.
It tastes like mashed potato.
I wouldn't eat it again. Then they started singing for us. Give me one of them dresses. Look the way it sway. I'm gonna learn how to pop my back like girl is. This shit was singing. Let's do it. Get it, girl. Then the main course came. I almost died.
I don't even know where to start. Let's start with the rice.
I started with the rice. I think it was pretty. It was alright.
Oh, it's just like rice.
Well, then I ate one of the meats.
Oh yeah, it's just the meat from the beef stew.
It was alright. This was the other meat. I did not like it. I was like, baby girl, what is this and why is it on my plate? I was disgusted.
That was not good. Whatever I just ate.
Then I ate the coleslaw looking stuff. Bruh, why? It was so much going on in that one bite.
That was stunning.
Then I ate it was like the green thing in the corner.
It tastes like peanuts.
It was okay. It was okay. Then they started breaking it down for us one more good time. You want to get up and do the same thing? Then the dessert came. I don't even know why they brought this to me. It was so nasty. Look at my face.
What is this supposed to be worms?
She was talking
The
about
worms?
the little soup looking thing.
Is it good? It's worth
Let me tell you, it was not.
Somebody dead in my fucking people. What? That's cap!
Exactly what Soldier said.
worth taking.
Look at my face. It's fine. Then that statue thing started moving. I was like, what the hell? It's just standing on the wall. But yeah, it was cool. I don't know what he was saying, but he was eating down. And then they started dancing before we leave. If you want to laugh, look at old girl in the front. She was fighting for her life.
Let's go. I need more energy. Together. One.
So, you know, just got back from dinner. But no, I'm tired. So I'm gonna take this on my face, hit the shower, and hit them sheets. And I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Alright, vlog, kind of forgot about y'all. I'm sorry. So I'm gonna catch y'all up real quick. Okay, so the day before we went on a hike, you know? Yes, they had my black behind up in the mountains, but it was really pretty, you know. It was worth the hike. We found this little place where I could take a good picture of like the mountains and the city and the water. We watched the sunset. It was really pretty up there. So I wasn't really mad at the end of the day. My legs kind of started hurting, but it was a really good experience. Now that you're caught up, it's day 5. Yeah, we're going on like a boat or something. But I'll record on the way there and I'll catch you there. Bye. First, I didn't even talk about driving on the wrong side of the road. It really was blowing me. Like the street signs were on the wrong side of everything. But we finally got to the boat and it was surrounded by like boardwalk. It was really pretty. Look at me, fine as heck. But then, look, it was a sea lion. Where you see a sea lion at?
Can I just have your guys' attention?
We were just out on the water. It was a really pretty day. But why was the waves kicking our butt, bruh? Like, I got wet right after that. But look at the whales. It was 2 of them. Like, I ain't never seen that many whales in my life. But then, look at me again, enjoying it. Then they was breaking it down on the boardwalk. Look. I didn't know they got down like this in Africa, let me tell you. But okay, then we went to the aquarium, and this aquarium was huge. We got to see Nemo and them, of course, but then we got to see like all this stuff I ain't never seen before. Like that fish, like he was real angry. Then we got to see turtles and stuff. And then she talking about some talking about this little bitty shark. The shark ain't gonna do nothing to you. But then we saw the penguin. We saw Happy Feet in them. Then, oh, cute me. And then they had this big shark. What aquarium, you know, got full-grown sharks in it? Then we went to their mall, and their mall is huge. Alright, what's up, vlog? It's nighttime. I just got back from the boat and the boardwalk and the mall and all that good jazz. It was a good solid day, and yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Okay, I forgot to do an intro, but we went to this colorful city, and then we went to Table Mountain. We were on a tour from one end of Capetown to the next. But the first stop was that colorful city. Second stop was Table Mountain. We had to go up on this cable car. You could have hiked. I wouldn't hike it again. I was feeling myself. And that was everybody's reaction. It was giving what I was supposed to give. There was animals up here. I was like, why are there animals up here? You know how high up we are? Top of the world over here, man. Above the clouds. But then this is us going back down. Now going back down was much worse than going up. 3 of Bay, I guess. I don't know where we're at. I had no clue. But look how pretty it was outside. And then we on the way somewhere and we getting stopped by baboons and crap. Where else can you go where you just getting stopped by baboon in the street?
Oh, can you receive the Elan?
And she kept saying Elan. I don't know what she meant, but then we got to go to the end of the world is what they were calling it. But look at me, I was at the end of the world or whatever. Then I took my Instagram picture. Then we went to another part. I don't know where we were at, but it was really pretty up wherever. Cape of Good Hope. And I'm really hungry. I'm really tired. But everything's so pretty. But I need some food in my system, and then I'll be alright. That's it for right now. Just checking in. I indeed got some food, but why were they serving ostrich and impala and zebra and all that? Did I look like I was finna eat that? We got our last stop was to see the penguins. Like, we stopped 2 minutes so he could look fake. So, as you can see, I'm back in the hotel. It was a solid day. I get to take in all of it. It's been crazy. You feel me? Yeah, but yeah, today was a great day. I think we're just chilling for the rest of the night, so I'll catch y'all later. What's up, vlog? So, you know, it's my last day in Africa. Bittersweet, you know, I'm ready to go home, but you know, I'm gonna miss Africa and like the scenery and the views, and I'm gonna leave tonight at like 9 o'clock, and I'll catch y'all later. Right, this was me saying bye to the room, and I was gonna start vlogging, but the wind started kicking our butt, bruh. Like, couldn't even walk hardly, bruh. Look at her, just go with the wind. But then we made it to the airport, and we ate at this place. I was on the plane, and I was ready to go to sleep. So I woke back up a few hours later, recorded the sun setting and the sun rising because it was a 15-hour flight. I got to see both.
Eventually.
Alright, vlog. I'm back home. I'm really tired. That's the end of the vlog. See y'all later.
Officially coming with me. You got that. To the club.